If you're looking for an amazing on-road and off-road experience, look no further. Here we have a 2023 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon 4xe in high velocity yellow. They're going to see you coming from miles down the road and they'll be jealous all the way through. This comes equipped with LED reflector headlamps, steel bumper package, 17-inch aluminum wheels, body color Rubicon Highline flip, a tow package with heavy duty electrical so you can tow with this baby, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, the one-touch power top, only 1,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, remote start system. It's a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with hybrid mode, okay? So you're getting high gas mileage on this as well with all the functionality. For more additional details, please visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6793. This vehicle was originally MSRP at $73,000. We are now only asking $62,994. You're getting a bargain on this vehicle with all the options it has to offer.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.